Most people grow up having a sense of what they want to do. It took me a while to find my way. I was a teacher for 20 years, and all the while I was teaching, I always had side projects. I was building raised gardens, and I started with a pickup truck, some power tools, and a lot of hard work. That has become my hallmark. Take the property that nobody has worked on and make it the favorite place of the house. It didn't matter what I was creating. Menards has been there through all my transitions in life. The stores are getting larger, which makes it easier to put projects together. I like going directly to the building material desk, showing them my plan. They will give me a list of all the material that I need. I can then drive my truck in, load up, and go straight to my job site. Every day I show up and give it my best because I have to. I owe that to myself. I think for a long time I was doing what I was expected to do, and then it wasn't until I got older that I started to do what I wanted to do. Landscaping isn't a job. It's the place where I go to be creative. It's the place where I go to make things beautiful. This is what I enjoy doing. It's something that's permanent. It's something that other people take joy out of. And with every year, that continues to change. At the end of the day, when I look at a project, I feel like that I made a difference. There's a beauty in that.